Put your head away. We are on. We are on. You want to join me? Yeah?
There are no participants.
No, nobody at all so far. Come sit here.
I mean, I
So
start
dizzy,
to
though.
invite your broadcast.
My what? My what?
People have sent messages.
But I'm still feeling dizzy. Too loud.
No, maybe
You
I want
want
to
to-
be here.
Okay. Maybe I should push this side so you can get closer.
No, I want to be here.
Why? Okay, I thought you want to be a part of it. Okay, you're coming when you want to. Sorry, I'm coming in a little bit late. It's about 17 minutes past. You know today is Mother's Day. Hey, you told me to
Yeah.
check yesterday. This is my phone with my WhatsApp.
Mommy, I've been planning all morning. I never even came to your bedroom to wake you up.
Planning what?
Just
Oh, good afternoon. Do you even know what we're going to do earlier? This is Mama here. She's wishing you a lovely afternoon, my little girl, my little mama. Say hello to everybody.
hello.
I call her Madame Dimple. Obviously, because of her dimples. She's so lovely. Madame Alia. I'm waiting for you to say happy Mother's Day. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you to say it. Hey, you act. You don't say. Thank you, Mama. No, my WhatsApp is on the other line. On the other phone, so I'll check it out. Oh, yeah, bring yours, I see. Yes, good afternoon, Banangi. Ramadan Yetya Bahajat Never Haji. Today I'm at home. I'm at home. It's actually drizzling a little. For reason I'm really covered up. Karaba? Yeah. Katonya, it's a bit cold. Where did you get this picture from? Why it looks so beautiful. My phone? This one. Happy Mother. Oh, this is my message from Alia on her WhatsApp status. She says, Happy Mother's Day to my wonderful treasure. May you always be blessed and may you always keep on smiling. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Kokonyo. They can't see. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for being a wonderful daughter.
It's just like 10%.
It's just like 10%. Come here. Don't be embarrassed. Tell them. It's just like 10% of what she feels for me. Yeah. Where's the 90? When is it coming?
Soon.
Soon, eh? Today or years to come?
Yes.
You don't know, but it will come, right? Okay, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. This cold Sunday afternoon. Mulimuti, have you taken your mothers out? Nalimba wade program ya. For those of you after never figuring out where to go, we have brunch at Mestil. It has actually already started.
Sunday brunch.
Sunday brunch, and this is a special one because it's Mother's Day. Yeah, wonderful packages waiting for you.
Delicious food.
You know Mestil food, eh? We're actually going for today, right?
Ciao.
Yeah. Nella life eno nali nagagikolera ku Mestil naye mama. Najjukidde obwobo bwabwe w'emmere ne ngamba sina gasiibulukuka. Yeah, katwewummuzeeko tweberere ewaka and we'll join them later for iftar. Yes, good afternoon, Bambi. Thank you so much. Niza nomuwere omulamwa mugumanyi ogw'olwaleero. But before we go there, have you booked your Come on 17 phone? Walk into any Techno authorized dealer. Togenda everywhere cause abafere Uganda gye bali bangi. They'll give you a phone. Otandika okukaaba nayo ng'omukaaba mwembi okaaba ekaaba ogisaba kineekulaga kiri. So genda mu Techno authorized shops nyangu oku-identifyinga era oba oziraba babeerawo oluusi n'ebidongo kungulu nga bakuyita babeera batimbiddwa blue is their color, so babeera batimbye. You go book before end of today. Genda booking emitwalo 10 gyokka instantly n'olinda esimu tuzisuubira kutuuka nkya Monday, starting Monday zijja kuba mwezi. So bw'obookinga bw'oti ng'osasudde emitwalo gyo 10, you get this. These are called buds. This is a tripod. Oh. These are wireless earbuds. Yeah, very beautiful. They are rechargeable. Instantly. Unfortunately, so as who are lucky to have booked in advance, this is what came with the booking. I booked already. You didn't see my pictures as I booked. Yeah, I was showing off. Yes, please go and book before today. Techno authorized shops, it's come on 17. Ebye Dembe series Satunga bulijjo. There is the come on 17. Eri mitwalo nkaaga nejigwamu. Then the come on 17P. Eri mitwalo 8 nejigwamu. And then the come on Pro 17 Pro. Eri mukakadde kamwe mitwalo 9. Yeah, where will you get such beautiful phones at such cheap prices? Okay, not cheap, but affordable. Affordable prices. How come I'm not seeing any messages coming in? My people, Banage TFN, how are you? All the mothers, Rukaya, I see you. Betty Saula, Nas Bugajina, Matobu Betix, yay, Jory Analukenge darling, Maggie Kabanda, Gority Maria Kirabo, Mwangwetu Atu said we're going to give away. Did you even download that app, the Cheaper Cash app? I hope you have already downloaded, because ataina Cheaper Cash app, seriously simanyi kyokola wano. Ng'ojjako tubuuzaako simanyi bulungi kyokola kubanga live yalira eyinza obutakugasa nnyo. Okay, so it is not too late. I'm going to be giving you a few minutes to download it and get it verified. Neyaji download nze, what is it mama? Even those who downloaded naye nga atonda bakuverifyinga naawe olinga atandibadde wano, because bw'oba toli verified then you can't do any transactions. How we gave you a video this morning, nabatereddeyo video ekulaga how to get verified. Era bw'omala okuverifyinga ayagala okurequestinga to benefit from today's giveaway, olina okuba nga overifyinze n'omanya how to request. Bw'oba toli verifyinze you can't request for money. So mugodiage mukimanyi the trick with Cheaper Cash, olina okubanga olina as many people in your phone contacts abalina Cheaper Cash. Bwemba sirina Cheaper Cash I can't send. Ne bwemba sirina Cheaper Cash I can't receive. That is the trick. Etambuza sente bulungi, safely and cheaply. Okay, naye olina okubanga abantu bogiweereza balina. So it is also up to you bw'oba oyagala okusavinga n'okufunamu okukunga abantu b'omanyi naddala b'otera okuweereza basobole okubanga balina Cheaper Cash on their phones. Otherwise there is no way they can benefit from this. Tulina offers nyingi happening at the moment, like UK. I told you tuli mu mawanga ga Africa. We are in African countries okuli Uganda, of course, netubayo ne Kenya. We have Tanzania, Rwanda is on board, Nigeria, Ghana, and lately to the United Kingdom. I know our friends in the UK, South Africa. South Africa is not yet. Oh, and South Africa, yes. You're resourceful. Thank you for coming, ma'am. Yes, South Africa too is on board. I know so many Ugandans in South Africa, so many Ugandans in the UK. This is one of the platforms you should, actually the only platform you should be making very good use of. Why? Because you get cash backs. Promotion so the more the money, actually the better. Why? Because at the moment because are cheaper okuweereza from UK to Uganda, you get 15% ku sente z'oweereza. Bw'oba oweereza emiliyoni emu ogenda kwekanga bakuddiza emitwalo 15 gwe aweereza, so nga ne munno gw'oweereza naye taviiramu awo afunayo 5%, that is emitwalo 5. Kati just imagine ng'oweereza obukadde 2 mwabazimba abalina projects enene e Uganda, you can use cheaper. Sente zo zibeerako very safely and noba ngozi otolako mpola mpola buweerezaako bw'olina okugabanyizaako ate ng'ofunyeemu. No referring abantu. This is like an investment somehow. You just refer somebody n'omuweereza link eyo n'agikozesa to join cheaper. Now downloading, immediately they download ne bakola the first transaction gwe aweereza obeera ofuna. Just a click on your Play Store and open a cheaper, you're going to get some money. God, I can't read their comments. I hope even they hear me. I just switch off and restart. Let me just switch off and restart. Sorry about that. I'm coming back in just a few minutes.